So now we have this piece in the wrong place, and we have this piece in the wrong place. All of the pieces on the bottom are yellow, so we have to take one of these out of the wrong place so we can put it in the correct place. How do we do that? Well, it's the same move as we were doing before. We go away and down, back and up, turn, and then we put this back where we know we put it before. So it goes across, come down, back and up. Now this piece is a new piece in that place, so the other piece must have gone somewhere else, and here it is. And so now we can put it in using the normal move. So away, down, back, up, turn, and we can see how to put this one in.